Want to start using the Four app to split up payments for your online orders, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Four Buy Now, Pay Later app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Four, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Four at the top. Tap Four when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Four. That's all it takes to download the Four Buy Now, Pay Later app. Want to try out other Buy Now, Pay Later apps? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.